Buonasera gentili telespettatori, interrompiamo le trasmissioni per informarvi di un fatto estremamente importante. Recenti studi hanno portato alla luce che la realtà per come noi la percepiamo con occhi, naso, bocca, orecchie, forse tatto, forse non è quella che sembra. Basta chiudere gli occhi. Basta chiudere gli occhi. E su nella valle alpina ed io e l'esploratore portami tu lassù. Cioè, avete capito che, signori telespettatori, c'è una notizia molto importante. La realtà per come la percepiamo potrebbe non essere quella. Mi spiace, bisogna chiudere gli occhi a volte. Ave Maria, I am the bride. I am the bride. Ave Maria, Jungfrau. I am God. I can see you. I can see everything. Everything starts with pleasure. Ah, 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 Mommy, Mommy, I am hungry, Mommy. This is my lullaby, and I love her. Oh, fuck. Again. La 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 la. Hey home, hey home, hey home, hey home. Where I am? Where I am? I don't understand what happened. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Oh, please, somebody come here to save me. Oh my God. I woke up in the morning and I stay here and I don't know where I am. Oh, fuck. Help me. Help me. Close your eyes and I kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember, I'm going to you. All my loving, I come back with you. All my loving, all my love, all my loving, dee daddy ba ba. All my loving. Oh well. Welcome everybody. This is my kitchen, my wonderful kitchen. Here I can cook everything, almost everything. Everybody is happy in my kitchen. And here, this is my refrigerator. Yes, it's a wonderful object. I love that. Oh my God! Oh, 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 look. Onion. I hate onion. I hate onion. Oh, fuck. Every time. Mommy! Mommy! So I call mommy so you can understand that I'm completely alone. I am completely alone in the dark. Oh my. It's not true. This is my friend, Kathleen. She lost her head. And here there is the captain, Jackie Jones. This is the captain. This is my boyfriend. Yes, great shoulder boyfriend. Yeah, I love him. Yeah, so my dear. Oh, it's so sweet. Yes, and there is my captain. Yes. Oh yes. Yeah. It's there is there a little dirty here, but it's not his fault. It's not his fault. So I'm not alone. I have many friends. I'm not alone with my mother. It's not true. There is neither my mom in this house. I'm completely alone here. Sorry. Oh. Human nature. Human nature. I can. Oh. Human nature. I am human nature. Human nature. It's alive. Nature. Nature. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Oh.